everyone, this is Sybil. Welcome to my channel, and today for me is like the first official day of fall. I know fall started a few weeks back, but we have been in the upper 80s and in the 90s, and it has been so hot and humid. So I decorated my home, and I have a video sharing my autumn decorations. And I was willing and wooing autumn to show up here in Missouri. Like I said, it's just been so hot. Now, mind you, I love the summer, but I love the summer during the summer months, and I love autumn during the autumn months. And so, guess what? Autumn finally showed up. Yes, we had I think they said almost a 30-degree drop. So it's in the 50s today. I woke up, had to turn my heater on. You don't know how happy that made me. Not because, my electric bill and all that, but because I love the chilly mornings. And after the house warmed up for a little bit, I turned it off and we're good to go. Yes, so I am a happy camper. Now, I wanted to share with you a few hauls that came in. And also, I participated in the, World Card Making Day. So I shared with you, I dropped my cards on the table. I shared with you that I had several of those watercolor trees from Hero Arts to make cards out of, because I colored a whole bunch of them. So I just want to share with you really quick these little cards that I made, and I did the same thing. I have the little leaves there. Let me adjust my mirror, not my mirror, my light. Well, that didn't help. Anyway, there we go. So this one has that Dickens sentiment stamp from Verve, and I put some plaid paper from Lawn Fawn, and I just layered, some like a kind of orangey coral colored cardstock behind this, and then added some enamel dots, and then left it blank inside. Oops. I'm throwing things now, getting a little bit rowdy. And then this is the same thing, except I put it on white cardstock. And just, did the enamel dots a little bit differently. And then this is the last one. So now I have all of those, did I say that right? It sounded like I got stuck on my own tongue, or on my teeth. My tongue got stuck on my teeth. I'm not restarting this video. No, I am not. I'm keeping it. Bloopers and all. This is the last one of those watercolor cards that I've done. So there we go. And then I did one more card that day, and I'm telling you, by the end of the day, my tennis elbow was screaming, but I've decided to start taking Motrin big time. I've been praying, I've gone to the doctor, and none of what they were doing was helping. So it was like, well, you can get a cortisone shot. And no, I cannot, because I have surgery coming up next month, so I can't do that before surgery, and I can't do it for 4 months after surgery. So, yeah, anyway. That was just a little sidebar there for you. So here's my other card, now that you've stared at it for 4 minutes while I jibber-jabbered. These are the Sunny Studio Stamps pumpkins, and I just did some banners, added different sequins from my stash and enamel dots. And then this little sticker is from, I think, a Simple Story sticker pack, and it says cutest pumpkin in the patch. And so these have sparkles on them from the Nouveau Glimmer Pen. And then this one I put glossy accents on, but I don't know if you can see that. There, you can see it there. And then I just put that paper in the back. So yeah, that was fun, just doing some paper piecing. Okay, so bug mail, happy mail. I got a new subscription kit, came in the mail today, so I hope you stay for that. It's really cool. It's new to me. I'm super excited about it. And then I placed an order with Sunny Studio Stamps on their website, and I picked up some items from DoodlebugsWa. But I should share this first because this came in first. So, oops, I picked up picked up. When I placed my order, I also got this, I don't even think you can see it there. Mindy, the owner of and creator of Sunny Studio Stamps, gave everybody this little cute snowflake in their orders. So I got this adorable Here Comes Santa stamp. I love that. Super cute. I've got several stamps that I need, like a little Santa Claus, a tiny one with the reindeer, so that's perfect. And I think I have another one, so now I think I'm good. And then I like the Christmas trees too. And then I've got the little stars and some snowflakes falling. And then, yes, more mugs, more hot cocoa and coffee. So we've got some mittens and a little mug. And then you've got a, what is it, scarf and a hat. And yeah, just some decorations. Another little snowflake. So that's going to be fun. And then I finally picked up the sliding window dies. And Nicole Spohr has a video sharing how to do this, and she really gives clear instructions on how to do it. And I think Mindy does too on her Sunny Studios YouTube channel. And then, is that? Yeah. And then I picked up this cable knit embossing folder. I love it. It is so cool. So yes, super happy with that. Bunch of goodies. And then, like I said, I got some bug mail, and the reason I wanted to show the Sunny Studios is that I picked up one more goodie, one more die set, which I don't know why I didn't do it when I was at Sunny Studios and placed my order with them. But anyway, I love DoodlebugsWa. I'm going to have a link that it's a clickable link to their shop, and if you sign up on using my link, you will get an additional 10% off of your order. And if you live in the US, I think it's the lower 48, and you place an order of $20 or more, and that has to be even if you have the 10% off, your order still has to reach $20. You will get free shipping, okay? So just make sure it's $20 or more. And their shipping is super duper fast. So I ordered this Cabin Fever from Simple Stories. This was on clearance, so it was only like, I don't even know. See, it's $4.99 there, and I know they gave me my paper. And I think it was $2.98 is what I got it for, because it was on sale. But I have a whole bunch of scrapbooking stuff I need to do for Yellowstone, for the different times my husband and our kids went to Yellowstone. So, and then I have one, what else did I get? This also was on the clearance, and it's normally $6.99, and I got it for $3.98. And you can see those papers there, really cute prints. And I know that it is, you know, more like spring and summer. It's called Sunshine and Happiness, but I just loved it and didn't want to pass it up for that price. I picked up the what is this set called? Rustic Winter. So you get the trees and the deer. You've got one laying down, which I thought was really pretty. Have one with antlers, and then one without. Just beautiful. And then a couple of birds. So I love that. I love Sunny Studio Stamps products. And then I had purchased from DoodlebugsWa this Mama Elephant little agenda train stamp set. And I said I was probably going to go back and get the dies. I did. I picked them up because I just wanted this. All right, so here we go. A new to me. Oh, I got to get everything. And I just took it out of the box. Spellbinders. I subscribe to Spellbinders. It's called, like, they have a die of the month, and then so you can get like the small set, and you'll get like a small set of dies, or maybe it's just one die, and then you can get the large set of dies, and it's just a subscription. And then they have the card kit of the month, and then they have the Big Mama, which is both the small, the large dies, and the card kit all combined into one. And it's $55 a month, and that includes your shipping. And wait till you see all that you get. I am so excited. And I was watching Nicole Spore's video where she created these cool cards using the October large die kit of the month. And I went over there and I subscribed. I clicked on her link. And so those are the dies. Super cool for October. And see these cool trucks that you can make. And then they have the different, does it show it on here? For you, hooray, and I can't tell what that other one says. Thanks, because they've got it upside down for some reason. They have it upside down. For blondes like me to make my brain scramble to figure it out. But anyway, look at all those dies. You get a ton of them. So got that, and then the small one, which I think again is cool. It's this acorn. So you have happy and Thanksgiving, and then the wishbone, and it says give thanks. And then you have the bottom part of the acorn, and it says hello fall. And then the top is all decorated. Really super cool. So I mean, even this, just getting the small die subscription is really awesome because you get so many dies in there. And then this is the kit of the month. So it has dies, and then it shows you, and it has papers. So this is what you get in it. You get 10 cards and 10 envelopes, 7 sheets of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, 16 dies, 6 by 6 paper pad, a pack of die cut shapes, epoxy stickers, foil stickers, clear stamps, sequins, pom-poms and tags, and a roll of adhesive and foam dots. Wow. That's what you get in the October. And look, do you see the house? Yeah, so there's the pom-pom trim. That is pretty. And I'm not gonna, they've got it tied like in a little bow. That's pretty. And so this must be part of the, yep, foam dots right there. And then the adhesive. Well, that is so cool. They give you the adhesive. And then there's some sequins. And what is this? I don't know. Some type of, I don't know. It probably says it on here and I probably read it. Now I can't find it again. And then here are the dies. And there's that house die. Oh, so excited. There's the envelopes. And then the watercolor variety sticker pack. Beautiful. Look at this, the foil, oh, gorgeous. Those could be used on cards and in my planners. Thank you so much. And then watercolor die shapes, die cut shapes. I'm not gonna take them out, but anyway, beautiful, beautiful. Here's some of them right there on that card, if you can see them. And then what is this? I don't know. Tags, that's what it is. And then epoxy stickers, really pretty. And then this stamp set, I can't read it because of what it says there. I'm gonna just pop this out and just look at it really quick. You helped me grow. Oh, that's cool. And then this watercolor paper pad. And I'll just hold that up so you can see the beautiful papers in the kit. Look at the houses and the ocean, flowers, beautiful. And then, oh, this card's, oh, look, I love this. Beautiful. And these are beautiful colors for autumn. And then of course you've got some other colors if you don't want to do, you know, create autumn cards. Beautiful, beautiful. This is really good cardstock. It's nice and heavy. Alrighty, so that is my new Spellbinder subscription kit, and I will get that every month until I decide to quit it. And then one more thing, what's my time? 14 minutes. For those of you that want to stay, I got my Walmart beauty box for the month. And there, you just go to walmart.com and then look up beauty box. So I get the Biore charcoal, great for oily skin, removes makeup, deep cleans pores, and refreshes. Micellar water. Wow, that's almost, I mean, for a sample, that's pretty big, 2.5 ounces. One of my favorite mascaras is Great Lash. So for like, you know, drugstore mascara, Great Lash from Maybelline's my favorite. And then more like, I don't know if you want to call it high end, but you know, it's Defensials. I never can say it right. It's Lancome's Defensials. I don't know how to say it. Why do I even keep trying? I got the Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel and Cream with hyaluronic acid. Deeply hydrates for 24 hours. And then the cleansing bar. And then I got some more Kleenex wet wipes. I put these in my car. They gave me a set of those last time. And then Nivea Aloe Vera 48-hour soothing lotion. And it looks like I got another mask. Black charcoal bubble sheet mask. I should probably do that and take a picture and put it up on Instagram. Maybe not. I might scare everybody. Maybelline Master Precise liquid liner. And then I don't do too great with liquid liner. Never have. But I like a pencil liner for my eyes. Aveeno Positively Radiant Sheer Daily Moisturizer. Now, I will say that the Aveeno moisturizers that I've tried in the past, they've all been great. And then just some information about the different products that they have included. I'm looking to see if there's a coupon, but I don't think so. So, pretty good. Bunch of goodies again this time, and samples that I will definitely use. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day. I will be back either tomorrow or Saturday to share some more goodies that are coming in. And also, I will be doing, I'm either going to do it this week or early next week, my first installment of what did I call it? Help a Girl Out. So there we go. Thank you guys. God bless. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye now.